Wealth begins with the mind. In this transformative content, we're diving deep into the powerful realm of mindset and uncovering the secrets to changing your mind to be financially rich. Understanding your current money mindset. Begin by identifying your current beliefs and attitudes towards money. We'll explore common money mindsets and help you pinpoint areas for transformation, like the power of positive affirmations. Discover the impact of positive affirmations on your financial mindset. We'll provide practical examples and guide you in creating affirmations that resonate with your goals. Visualizing financial success. Learn how visualization can shape your financial destiny. We'll guide you through visualization exercises designed to manifest abundance and attract wealth into your life. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Uncover and conquer the limiting beliefs that may be hindering your financial growth. We'll provide strategies to reframe negative thoughts and foster a mindset of abundance. Setting and achieving financial goals. Explore the connection between mindset and goal achievement. We'll guide you in setting smart financial goals and offer tips on staying motivated throughout your journey. Building a growth mindset. Understand the concept of a growth mindset and its role in financial success. Discover how embracing challenges and learning opportunities can propel you towards prosperity. Creating daily habits for financial wealth. Explore the transformative impact of daily habits on your financial trajectory. We'll share practical habits that, when incorporated into your routine, can lead to lasting financial success. Join the mindset revolution. This content isn't just about dollars and cents, it's about transforming the way you think about money. Are you ready to embark on a mindset revolution that could change the course of your financial future? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, the key to financial richness lies within your mind. Let's unlock the potential together and change the way you think about wealth. Get ready to witness a mindset shift that could reshape your financial reality. Join us for How to Change Your Mind to Be Financially Rich, a mindset transformation journey. That's the power of a money mindset at work. A money mindset isn't about how much cash you have in the bank. It's about the way you perceive and interact with money. Let's break it down. There are two fundamental types of money mindsets: scarcity and abundance. If you're constantly worrying about not having enough, feeling stressed every time a bill arrives, that's a scarcity mindset. It's a limiting belief that keeps you trapped in financial struggle. On the other hand, an abundance mindset sees wealth as something that's within reach, not a rare commodity. It's about embracing opportunities, taking calculated risks, and believing in your capacity to generate wealth. Changing your money mindset isn't an overnight process, but it's a transformative one. Understanding your money mindset is the first step to financial freedom. Money is more than mere currency. It's a psychological construct that influences our behavior. You see, when we examine the psychology of money, we delve into a world that extends far beyond the physical notes and coins in our pockets or the numbers on our bank statements. Let's take a moment to consider how our childhood experiences shape our money mindset. As children, we absorb the financial habits and attitudes of our parents and caregivers. If we witnessed constant worry about bills or a tendency to overspend, we often internalize these behaviors, carrying them into adulthood. On the other hand, if we saw money treated with respect and used wisely, we're more likely to adopt a healthy financial perspective. Societal influences also play a significant role in shaping our money mindset. We live in a world that often equates wealth with success, power, and happiness. This can lead us to develop an unhealthy obsession with money, seeing it as a measure of our self-worth. Or conversely, we might start to resent money, associating it with greed and corruption. Our personal beliefs about money, largely influenced by these childhood experiences and societal pressures, can form self-limiting beliefs that hinder our financial growth. You may believe that money is the root of all evil, that wealth is reserved for a lucky few, or that financial success requires immense sacrifice. These beliefs can hold us back from achieving our financial potential, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy where we struggle with money because we believe we're destined to. But here's the good news. Once we recognize these influences, we can start the process of reshaping our money mindset. We can challenge our self-limiting beliefs, break free from negative financial patterns, and start to see money for what it truly is, a tool that can help us achieve our goals and live a fulfilling life. By recognizing these influences, you can begin to reshape your money mindset. Remember, self-awareness is the first step towards transformation. And with the right mindset, you can transform not only your finances but your entire life. Ready to break free from limiting financial beliefs? It begins with cultivating a positive money mindset. Our minds are powerful tools that shape our reality. When it comes to money, your mindset can either propel you towards financial freedom or keep you stuck in a cycle of lack. So how can you cultivate a positive money mindset? Firstly, setting financial goals is pivotal. This is not just about dreaming of wealth, it's about defining what financial success means to you. Is it owning a home, retiring early, starting a business? Once you have a clear vision, break it down into achievable steps. This provides a roadmap and makes your financial journey feel more tangible and less overwhelming. Next, practice gratitude for what you already have. It's easy to focus on what we lack, but acknowledging the wealth that already exists in our lives fosters abundance. This might mean appreciating your steady income, your savings, or even non-material wealth like good health and relationships. Visualization is another powerful tool. Envision yourself achieving your financial goals. Feel the emotions that come with that success. How does it feel to live in your dream home? To be debt-free? Visualization is not just wishful thinking, it's a way of priming your subconscious mind to believe in your financial success. Continuous learning is also key. Stay informed about financial matters. Read books, follow financial blogs, listen to podcasts, attend workshops. Knowledge is power, and the more you understand about finances, the more equipped you are to make wise financial decisions. Remember, cultivating a positive money mindset is not a one-time event, but a journey. It's about shifting from a scarcity mentality to an abundance mentality, from fear to confidence, from passivity to proactivity. With a positive money mindset, you become an active participant in your financial journey, rather than a passive observer. This mindset shift is not just transformative, it's empowering. So take the reins of your financial future, starting today. Because you are not just a dreamer, you are a doer. And with the right mindset, there is no limit to what you can achieve. So how can you start transforming your finances today? Well, the journey to financial transformation begins with the first step, and that step is a thorough audit of your current financial habits. It's about getting up close and personal with your money, understanding where it's going and why. Are you spending impulsively, or are your purchases well planned? Are you saving enough, or are you living paycheck to paycheck? These questions can help illuminate the areas where change is needed. Once you've identified your spending patterns, the next step is to create a budget. Budgeting doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things you enjoy, but rather it's about making informed decisions about where your money goes. By assigning every dollar a job, you gain control over your finances and ensure that your money is working for you, not against you. Now that you have a budget, the third step is setting up a savings plan. Saving money is not just about having a safety net, but it's also the foundation for wealth building. Start small, perhaps by saving 10% of your income, and gradually increase this amount as your financial confidence grows. However, transforming your finances isn't just about saving and budgeting, it also involves investing in financial education. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the key to unlocking opportunities and creating wealth. So, read books, attend financial seminars, listen to podcasts, or even consider hiring a financial advisor. These steps may seem daunting at first, but remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The key is to start somewhere, no matter how small. Perhaps today, you could start by auditing your expenses or setting up a budget. Every small action will add up over time, leading to significant financial transformation. Remember, mastering your money mindset is a journey, not a destination. Start today and watch how your finances transform. If you've enjoyed our content, help us reach more adventure seekers and knowledge enthusiasts. A simple click on the like button, a share with your friends, and of course, subscribing goes a long way in supporting us on this incredible journey.